this session we are going to discuss about the formation of images by the lenses. Here in the first session we are going to discuss about the convex lenses. We know that the convex lenses are converging lenses. The rays which passes through the convex lens will converge after touching the lens. So the rays which are passing through the lens will meet at a point. So that's why this is called as a converging lens. So let us see the image position according to the position of the object. As the position of the object changes, accordingly image position also will change, and we can see the characteristics of image like diminished image, same size and enlarged images basing on the position of the object. And sometimes the image may be real image, and sometimes there may be a virtual image for this convex lens. So let us see first. In first situation I am considering that object at infinity. So when the object is at infinity, then let us consider the situation here. I am taking a convex lens. This is the optical center, and this is the principal axis, and this is the focus f1, and this is the focus f2, and here we can consider 2f2, and here we can consider 2f1. So at infinity, here object is at infinity means we don't know wherever the object is. So when we are unable to know where the object is, what we will consider is we will take two rays parallel to principal axis. So rays parallel to principal axis. Already we have seen that in ray rules, the rays which are parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. So these rays which are parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus. See, like this. So here the object is at infinity, and these two rays are meeting here. So image forms here. So when the object is at infinity, the image will form at f2 or focus. So here the image will be its real image. Real means definitely it will be a inverted image, and it is a diminished image. Why diminished means? See, we can observe the rays are converging, and at a point they are converging at a point. So a point image will be formed. So diminished image, and it is formed at, the image is formed at f2 or focus. Simply you can consider f1. These are the characteristics of image when the object is at infinity. Now coming to the second situation, here the object at, or the object beyond 2f1. So again for this I am considering a convex lens, optical center. This is the principal axis. This is f1, this is 2f1, this is f2, and this is 2f2. Now object is beyond 2f1. Yes. So when the object is beyond 2f1, now we have to go through two rays. A ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus, and a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. So this ray passing through the optical center will go undeviated. So these are the two rays, and these two rays are meeting here. So the image will form here, and we know that the image is inverted image again, and it is real image. So coming to the characteristics of images, a real image will form, and it is inverted image, and it is diminished also. That means the image will be smaller than the object. So diminished, and it is formed between, we can observe here, between f2 and 2f2. Formed between f2 and 2f2. So this is the second case when the object is beyond 2f1. When the object is beyond 2f1, the image will be between f2 and 2f2. Or simply consider as 2f. When the object is beyond 2f, the image will be between 2f and f2. 2f and f. And now coming to a next case. Coming to next case, that is the third case. Object at f2. Object at 2f. When the object is at 2f, that means again consider the convex lens, optical center, principal axis, and 2f, f, again f, 2f. Here the object is at 2f, and two rays we will consider. A ray parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus, and a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. So these two rays are meeting here, and the image will form at 2f. When the object is at 2f, the image also will form at 2f only. And here, coming to the characteristics of image is again a real image. Whenever it is a real image, it will be a inverted image. And coming to the size of the image, it will be same size. And it is formed at 2f. So this is the third case. And coming to the fourth case, object between 2f and f. When the object is between 2f and f, now consider again convex lens, optical center, and this is the principal axis, 2f, f, and f, 2f. So here now the image is coming little bit forward. First it is at infinity, next it is beyond 2f, and next situation it is at 2f. Now it is between 2f and f. Now for this, a ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus, and a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. So these two rays will meet here, and image will form here, and image is forming after 2f, and this is also a inverted image. Coming to the characteristics of image is real image, and as it is real, it is inverted. And coming to the size, when the object crosses 2f, the image size will increase. So enlarged size. Here we observe, only in this case we observe the image size and object size is same size, and after crossing 2f we can observe the enlarged size of image. That means image will be greater than the object, and it is formed, image is formed after 2f. After 2f image is formed. So this is the fourth case. And coming to the fifth case, fifth case, and this is the fifth case. Here the object is at F, that means focus. Now the object is at focus. So again, convex lens, optical center, principal axis, 2F, F, F and 2F. And now the object is at F exactly. So two rays will consider a ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus, and a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. So these two rays will not meet each other as they are parallel rays. So image will form at infinity. See, we have seen the first situation that when the object is at infinity, image will be at F, focus. And in the same way, when the object is at focus, the image will be at infinity. And here also we can consider the characteristics as image is real image and inverted, and the image is formed, size of the image, coming to the size of the image, we'll consider this as enlarged size, and will meet at, it won't meet, so the image will form at infinity. At infinite distance the image will form infinity. Image will form at infinity. So this is the fifth case. And coming to the last case in the convex lens. In convex lens, this is the last case, and that is the sixth case. Here the object at, or the object is between F and optical center. F and optical center. So for that, this is the diagram. Convex lens, optical center, principal axis, 2F, F, F, 2F. Now the object is coming closer to the lens. First situation we have observed that the object is at infinity. Step by step it is coming closer to the lens. As the image is coming closer to the lens, the object is going away from the lens. That we can observe. And the size of the image also gradually increasing as it is coming towards the lens. And when it is at 2F exactly, the image size and object size will be same. Now at this situation we will consider like this: a ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus, and a ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated. See, actually these two rays won't meet actually. So what we will do is, we will extend these two rays like this. So they will meet at a point. So at that place the image will be formed. And coming to the characteristics of image, this image is a virtual image. See, convex lens will form a real image as well as a virtual image. So in all situations we have seen that it is forming a real image only. But in the last situation it forms a virtual image. That means if the object is crossing this F, it will form a virtual image. So this is the last case which the convex lens forms a virtual image. And when the image is virtual, definitely it will be erect. Erect in the sense exact. So whatever the object we are placing in front of the mirror, that image we can see in the mirror. That is erect. Erect image. So image will be erect, and it will be enlarged image, and it will form same side of object. In which side the object is, at that side only the image also will form. So this is the last case and last situation for convex lens. So these are the image formation of lenses for convex lens depending upon the position of the object. As the position of the object changes, the position of image also changes according to the object position, and the sizes also vary according to the position of the object. Thank you.